Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast where we dive into life-changing ideas and practical English tips that enhance our everyday lives. Today we're chatting about why some folks make big changes while others seem stuck.
I'm excited for this discussion. So, what's our starting point?
It all begins with understanding why change is so hard. I mean, lots of people struggle because fear of failure really holds them
Yep,
back. They worry, what if I try and fail? Instead of realizing every successful person has a string of failures behind them before they make it.
that's so true. It's like our brains get tangled up in negative self talk, saying things like, I'm not cut out for this, right?
Exactly. And it's not just about the fear. There's this whole lack of direction. People want change, but wait for the perfect plan before jumping in. We
Mm,
see it all the time, especially when someone is starting to learn English or picking up a new habit.
yeah. I mean, we all know that waiting for the perfect moment is just a trap, always saying, I'll start tomorrow when I'm ready, while nothing changes.
Right on. And that ties directly into our next big idea. Small changes can make a huge impact over time. You ever heard of the 1% improvement concept?
Absolutely. It's like, if you improve just a tiny bit every day, those changes compound into something massive over the course of a year.
Yeah, exactly. Think of it like this. It's like stacking one coin every day. Eventually, you've got a whole piggy
Yeah, that's a
bank.
great analogy.
Incremental progress builds confidence and ultimately leads to transformation.
Now, here's a question. What about that mindset thing? I mean, isn't our mental state a big barrier sometimes?
Absolutely, and that's the crux of it. With a growth mindset, you believe you can get better, while a fixed mindset tells you you're stuck. Our brain's reticular activating system only notices what matters to us.
Right.
So if we focus on self-doubt, it reinforces everything we're afraid of.
But sometimes I feel that might be oversimplified. I mean, can a mindset really overpower external circumstances?
That's a good point. Sure, external factors matter, but a shift in mindset can recalibrate how we view those challenges. It's not magic, but it does highlight progress in small wins.
Got it. So it's really about action, not overthinking things. I mean, waiting for now perfect conditions just delays progress.
Exactly. Action over perfection. Like that saying, done is better than perfect. When you start talking or practicing, mistakes become part of learning, not proof of failure.
Right,
It's the
yes.
moment you leap that starts the momentum.
Speaking of momentum, what about our environments? How does that play into changing our lives?
Oh, environment is huge. Our surroundings, from the people we spend time with to the content we consume, really shape our progress. You know the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with. If they're
Absolutely,
constantly
yeah.
negative, then your energy gets sucked down.
So it's not just about personal effort, but also curating the right influences around you, like joining supportive communities or even following the right social media accounts.
Exactly. When I entered an English learning group, for instance, it totally transformed my experience. Suddenly, every conversation, every comment was an opportunity to learn.
That makes a lot of sense. And I guess that's why in our free PDF resource, we even include advice on how to build a positive environment along with the key takeaways, right?
Right, you are. The PDF is packed with practical exercises to help break those mental barriers and um, encourage these tiny but vital actions. Please don't let it gather digital dust once you download
Absolutely.
it.
It's a game changer. Now, let's shift gears a bit. I love how today's discussion also tangled in some neat intermediate vocabulary. Can we go over a few of those words?
Sure thing. We talked about words like transformation, mindset, surroundings, momentum, exposure, growth driven, visualization,
Right.
affirmation, community, and accountable. These aren't just fancy words, they're tools to articulate our journey.
For instance, transformation isn't just about looking different. It's about a deep change in how you think and act every day.
Exactly. And when you say mindset, you're not just describing a way of thinking, but outlining a whole framework for personal growth. It's like laying the foundation of a building. Without it, everything else
Right,
collapses.
yes. The term momentum always fascinates me. It's that energy that, once you get moving, just propels you forward.
Oh, absolutely. And remember those small steps we mentioned earlier? Their impact compounds, and soon enough, you have unstoppable momentum, just like a bike gaining speed downhill.
Yep, exactly. I love that image. A bike picking up speed. It's like once you overcome that initial inertia, progress becomes almost effortless.
Right, but let's not gloss over a common pitfall: the trap of waiting for readiness that never comes. Perfection is kind of a myth that holds so many of us back.
That's so true. I hear you. But sometimes isn't it risky to jump in without being fully prepared? I mean, isn't there a danger of making too many mistakes?
That's a fair challenge. However, mistakes aren't failures. They're signals that you're trying and learning. Imperfect action beats inaction every single time.
Exactly, right.
Embracing errors leads to growth, both in language learning and personal development.
So, if I'm following, the whole strategy is start small, shift your mindset, create a supportive environment, and, don't let the quest for perfection paralyze you.
You got it. Each step you take, no matter how tiny, is a move toward that big change. The journey is a series of mini victories that add up over time.
Absolutely right. And our listeners can find so much inspiration from knowing that they hold more control over their lives than they think.
Totally. And that's the key takeaway. Transformation doesn't require one giant leap, just the willingness to take that first, small, sometimes uncertain step.
Yes. Now, before we wrap up, remind our audience about the free PDF with exercises and vocabulary, please.
Sure thing. Don't forget to grab the free PDF. It's filled with practical exercises, comprehension questions, and activities to help you implement these ideas. It really ties everything
Right.
together.
That's a fantastic resource. So, as we end here, what's one small change each listener can commit to today?
I'd say choose one habit you've been putting off, maybe practicing English for just 5 minutes every day, and start right now. Small actions will build that momentum over time.
Exactly, yes. It's been such an energizing conversation. I hope everyone feels a little more ready to tackle change, no matter how daunting it may seem at first.
Yep. And remember, the journey to a better you starts with one tiny step. Thanks for joining us today. Keep pushing, stay positive, and let every small win build the foundation
Absolutely
for
right.
something amazing.
Thanks, everyone, for tuning in. We can't wait to hear your stories about those small changes turning into big transformations. See you next time.